Looking for the best microwave oven to upgrade your kitchen? In this video, we explore a compact yet powerful option that's perfect for small spaces, quick meals, and everyday convenience. From smart cooking features to energy-saving performance, discover whether this microwave oven truly stands out as the best choice for your home and lifestyle. There are many microwave ovens to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of microwave ovens from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. This compact microwave oven is designed to deliver efficient performance and modern convenience, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens, RVs, or limited spaces. Equipped with a two-step child lock feature, it ensures enhanced safety and prevents accidental misuse, meeting the latest safety standards. The built-in mute function allows you to enjoy a cooking experience by turning off all beeps with a simple press and hold action. Its user-friendly interface includes one-touch express cooking options ranging from 1 to 6 minutes, along with a plus 30-second quick start, and flexible defrost settings by weight or time. Auto-cooking menus such as popcorn, potatoes, pizza, frozen vegetables, beverage, and reheat simplify everyday cooking tasks. The energy-saving eco mode reduces standby power consumption by up to 50%, making it an eco-conscious addition to your home. Customers appreciate its compact size, ease of use, stylish appearance, and value for money, though some note slower heating due to its 700-watt power and mixed durability experiences over extended use. Number 2. The extra-large air fryer. Cuisinart air fryer oven is a powerful and versatile countertop appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience with its 1,800 watts of performance and spacious 0.90 cubic foot interior, allowing you to air fry up to 4 pounds of wings, roast a 5+ pound chicken, or even cook a 13 pounds turkey with ease. Featuring 10 cooking functions including air fry, bake, broil, roast, grill, and dehydrate, along with 5 convenient presets for popular foods like fries and wings, it delivers flexibility for everyday meals. The IntelliType Precision Probe ensures perfectly cooked proteins by monitoring internal temperatures accurately, while the included 2-in-1 baking pan with divider, air fry basket, oven rack, and crumb tray add convenience. Its ceramic non-stick grill/griddle enables indoor grilling year-round with even heat distribution. Customers appreciate its even cooking, quiet operation, stylish stainless steel design, and easy cleaning, though its larger size requires ample counter space and some learning to master all features effectively. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro with Element IQ system is a premium, multifunctional countertop appliance designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with precision and efficiency. Powered by 5 independent quartz heating elements, the Element IQ system intelligently directs heat where it's needed, eliminating cold spots and ensuring consistent results with advanced PID temperature control. Its superconvection technology, featuring a 2-speed fan, reduces cooking time by up to 30% while delivering fast, even heat distribution for crisp air frying, roasting, and dehydrating. With 13 versatile cooking functions including toast, bake, broil, pizza, slow cook, and air fry, it effectively replaces multiple kitchen appliances in one compact unit. The extra-large interior accommodates up to 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or standard 9x 13-inch pans, making it ideal for families. Additional features like the integrated oven light and intuitive controls enhance usability, while customers praise its versatility and performance, though some note mixed heating consistency and premium pricing. Number 4. The Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven is a compact yet highly versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify and elevate everyday cooking with its impressive 11 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, slow cooking, and more, all within a wide 70 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. Powered by a high-performance 3,200 revolutions per minute DC motor, it cooks up to 30% faster than conventional air fryers while delivering precise results through adjustable fan speeds. Its 25-quart capacity accommodates family-sized meals, fitting up to a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, making it ideal for small households. The intuitive touchscreen controls with haptic feedback ensure effortless operation, while Wi-Fi connectivity and the free Chef IQ app allow you to monitor and control cooking remotely, offering unmatched convenience. Compatible with the IQ Sense smart thermometer, it adapts cooking settings automatically for perfect results. Customers praise its fast heating, ease of cleaning, and excellent cooking performance, though some note its smaller size and occasional connectivity issues. Number 5. The Galanz GLCMKA07BER07 microwave oven combines compact design, retro style, and reliable everyday functionality, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens, apartments, or limited counter space. With 700 watts of power and 6 variable cooking levels, it provides flexible heating options for everything from reheating leftovers to defrosting frozen foods efficiently by time or weight. Its 0.7 cubic foot capacity is ideal for basic cooking needs, while the 360 degrees rotating glass turntable ensures even heat distribution for consistently cooked meals. The easy-to-read LED display clearly shows cooking time, and the interior light allows you to monitor food without opening the door. Designed with safety in mind, the child lock feature prevents accidental or unsupervised use, adding peace of mind for families. Customers appreciate its attractive retro appearance, user-friendly controls, and great value for money, although some report concerns about long-term durability. Overall, it's a practical and stylish microwave suited for quick meals, snacks, and everyday convenience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.